And a top story, the Sena versus Sena battle seems to be back at the doors of the Supreme Court. The apex court has issued a notice to Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and 38 MLAs of his camp on a plea filed by the Uddhav Thackeray Camp. The petition challenged Maharashtra Speaker Rahul Narwekar's decision to not disqualify the rebel legislators. Response has been sought from the Shinde camp in 2 weeks. Just to give you the context, the Maharashtra Speaker on January 10th ruled that the Shinde faction is the real Shiv Sena as he rejected Uddhav's camp plea seeking disqualification of the MLAs. And I'm being joined by my colleague Harish at this point. Harish, quite a turn of events now. What do we expect?
Yes, that's right. A very significant development as far as the ongoing Sena versus Sena battle for supremacy is concerned. Supreme Court has admitted the Uddhav Thackeray faction's petition, which means that, as you rightly said, the January 10th order of the Maharashtra Speaker Rahul Narwekar has come under the scanner of the bench led by the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud. The Supreme Court has issued notice to Shinde and 38 MLAs on the petition filed by Uddhav Thackeray faction, challenging the Speaker's refusal to disqualify Shinde and 38 MLAs of his faction, ruling that Shinde faction is the real Sena. In fact, going by the legislative supremacy. This petition, Uddhav Thackeray has said that the Speaker was wrong in ignoring the 2018 constitution of the Shiv Sena, which said that the party president is the supreme authority and has the power to appoint office bearers and also remove them. And also said that the Speaker should not have gone by the legislative supremacy of numbers of the Shinde faction, but the party president was the supreme person to decide on alliances like Shiv Sena as a party was a part of the alliance of Congress and NCP Mahavikas Agadi. But these legislators individually had no power, no competence to strike an alliance different from the party. And also the Uddhav Thackeray faction had said that Supreme Court had very clearly said that it is the party which decides who will be the whip and not a faction. So it was wrong to give importance to the whip issued by Bharat Gogavle. So all these are the grounds cited, and today the biggest takeaway is that Supreme Court has agreed to examine the January 10th order of the Speaker Rahul Narwekar, and 2 weeks' time has been given to Shinde and 38 MLAs to file the response. Back to you.
Thank you, Harish. Thank you very much for those details. In fact, this was definitely on the expected lines. There were already decisions made by the party when the announcement was made by the Speaker that they would move the Supreme Court. Huge ramifications and, of course, politics also likely to play out just as this decision comes in from the Supreme Court. Thank you very much, Harish, for those details.